Seated dumbbell curl. To perform it, sit on the bench with your back supported or stand straight, holding a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward, keeping the upper arm stable, bringing the dumbbell toward the shoulder and curl it and squeeze the bicep muscle. And by slowly bringing the dumbbell downward, stretch the bicep muscle. Start with the lightweight dumbbell, do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Dumbbell skull crusher. Lean down on a flat bench holding a dumbbell in both hands and keeping your hands straight above your chest, stabilizing the upper arms, bend the elbow and bringing the dumbbell down toward your head and then bringing it up to the starting position. Squeeze your tricep at the top of the movement to maintain proper form and avoid elbow joint injury using a control weight in this exercise. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Dumbbell hammer curl. Keeping the hands forward and the elbow close to the body, stand straight and holding the dumbbell in both hands with the neutral grip, bringing the dumbbell up toward your shoulder until your biceps are squeezed well, then slowly bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. You can do this exercise with the alternating hand or with both hands together, keeping your palms facing each other during this entire movement. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Smith machine close grip bench press. Lean on a flat bench in the center of the Smith machine and hold the barbell of the Smith machine close grip hand wider than shoulder width apart. Keeping your hands straight, hold the barbell of the machine above the chest and then slowly bringing it down toward the chest and press the barbell upward, then squeeze the tricep muscle. On the Smith machine, you can perform it easy and with the correct form. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Machine preacher curl. Adjust the seat of the preacher curl machine according to your height and sit on the seat of the machine with your upper arm resting on the pad. Selecting a lightweight, hold the handle of the machine with an underhand grip and then slowly bringing it toward your shoulder. Hold it for 1 second, squeeze your bicep muscle. Then bringing the handle back to the starting position with the control form. If you want, you can also do this exercise with the easy bar on the preacher bench. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Cable tricep push down. This is a great exercise to finish this routine with the great pump throughout the entire arms muscle. Attach the straight bar cable to the upper lock of the cable machine. Hold the bar with both hands and stand facing the machine. Keeping your upper arm stationary, extend your elbow and push the bar down toward your thigh. Slowly return to the starting position, controlling the bar on the way up. Perform 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions.